Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another painting project over here in Lovelolly. We're doing some bathrooms, trim, and some vanities. So we'll check this out and we'll show you what we have going on today. Also, Stephanie over here wants to join us with this really cool party. Sweet. Hey, we're in the middle of the process here over in one of the bathrooms where we are spraying the trim and spraying the vanities and getting these looking a little bit better. This one had a big spill and a lot of stains on it. And so we're trying to go through the process of doing special primers and then do a finish coat on top of that. So when we get this all finished up, we'll show you the final outcome. So I want to show you the products that we're using today on these vanities and on the trim package in these bathrooms. Today we started off with the Extreme Bond Primer to make sure that we're going to have all proper adhesions and no peeling or flaking going on. And then we switched over to the really good, amazing urethane trim enamel, which is the Emerald series from Sherwin-Williams. We dropped it into kind of a satin sheen, which is what the client requested. And so that's what we're doing today. We're going to put a couple of coats on with this to finish it off and it'll be amazing. Here we go. Hey, the bathroom vanities are complete and the trim package. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on our channel and we'll catch you guys next time.